Good evening and welcome to the night show today. Una welcome. My name is Nanedu Anaskov. Una know who him be. Now I can't take a pick in name be. Una welcome to the night show today. Today we'll be supposed to get guests, but we cancel them. We'll get two topics and episode one discussed today. But because of the importance of the other one, we will not sit down discuss. Some girls talk what they feel about them, and then some men talk what they feel about them. Some way they in between men and women. In this case, some people be man, they not be woman. Then talk what they feel about them. But before we begin chook mouth for the matter, we go back to more chicken break. When we come back, we go chook mouth on top of the topic of today. The topic of today, I say, before I talk, you go get some kind gist. We'll go talk before I talk. But before then, we'll back some more chicken break. When we come back, our phone lines go down top on our TV. Tweet messages too. And I go feed the tweet us at W Night Show. And then our phone numbers. And I go see them on top TV. Make us begin the call us. And also send your tweet messages for the team we want to discuss today. No worry. We'll come back still on top of the Night Show. Alrighty. Now welcome back on top of the Night Show. Before we continue, Shabina say pastors they marry. Pastors they marry.
Yes.
Now, which ones not they marry?
Probably the Reverend Fathers them.
Father.
The father them or something.
Now be priest now.
The priest them, yeah.
But one father shocked the whole world.
Shocked them.
For inside the cabinet. Now be only say the father get babe. He not get babe. Now be only say the father just try. Marry one wife. Not be one wife. He marry two. For inside the Kaduna state. I don't know whether we get the picture or not. But two wives. Now in Kaduna. What did see the priest? See the guy eye himself. Two wives. For inside Kaduna and the guy rest.
I told you before.
Go marry. But I think they say priest them not they marry.
My brother.
I been another God call him. I been that because Konji is a bastard. The guy, I just saw the guy go down there church. The guy go down see differently. Especially when girls they wear go church these days. When girls they wear go church these days only because of. I swear, maybe the guy not go one lose his salvation. The guy said, "No, Father, before I lose my salvation, let me just marry." Maybe God could not tell her say, "Oh yeah, go ahead." Or I don't even know whether I God tell her make him marry or not. But anyway, the guy married two wives. But more leave the guy matter. Obituary picture. I beg. I'm gonna see the picture when they take the obituary for one man.
Star boy. Yeah, God.
Now this start, the guy. I don't know what can be where the guy the three. I'm not three beer.
Yeah, God.
Say them put on there.
Hola.
Maybe now it's kill and be that safe. Yeah, on gubulo where. Gubulo where.
The guy they turn up for obituary poster.
For obituary poster, no, this kind of person, they're not they cry for burial for them. Anyway, from there, more enter topic what we want to discuss today. Quickly, when I see we did discuss this matter earlier today. See, now what be that thing where you feel hide from person where you are in the date, where they do boyfriend and girlfriend? Some kind girls come they talk, say what did they be say? When man they date woman, you're not supposed to hide anything. You're not supposed to hide anything, salary or anything. In fact, mess safe. You're not supposed to hide anything. If I say to show true love. In fact, before I even talk that one, self, you get one girl where they always escort her boyfriend. Where came was give me the story. Where the girl they always escort her boyfriend go butu. Now inside bush, the guy they like butu for toilet. He not they like no matter how their house fine rich. The guy they like butu for toilet.
He likes it spread.
They like spread. May breeze they blow him everywhere. Whoa. In that friend go come escort him. And you see where he own, where I call his own sickness. You know say bush to butu for bush. Now they sweet pass. You know to kaka for bush. No. Because breeze go they blow you everywhere. You go they see ant they pass. You go carry stick, cut stick, they knock for ground. Pam.
They cut flower.
Pam. You know, all those kind of things, the sweet activities they around between for inside bush. But this guy own, he did different. The guy babe go escort and go bush. The guy go come climb tree. When you don't climb tree, from tree there, the girlfriend go there one corner. Pose. The guy go they drop the thing. Pra. When somebody come ask the guy, say, why you they follow your boyfriend? Go butu for inside bush. You go just somewhere they look at the butu. Say, no, he just nothing. No, I not see anything waiting for that place. So now they go when they go ask the guy say, say he even love the girl die. Say because the girl love him, so take the girl, not the mind. When in the butu, the manner, everything. Whether in the purge, I been a better food in chop. Say the girl no mind. Say the girl they did here. When in the butu. Now, when come make us one ask on this question. Your wife, your girlfriend, you feel butu, yeah, kaka, yeah, go toilet in front of the person where you dey marry. Can you do it? Our phone light on the top of the TV now make una begin the call us or send us tweet message. Because me, I know what I feel do. I dey imagine I'm saying come I nearly talk something now. You know say, make I attack am, what's in? People were fat, where they are booting the smell, where? Not be play. People were fat, where they are booting the smell, where? Imagine say I come they date somebody where fat, where? Because them, oh baby, if you truly love me, it shows that you love me. Stay in the toilet with me. I'll come. They perceive all your nonsense. You don't drink ice cream, guys can like chop nonsense. Drink ice cream in the morning, chop popcorn, chop pizza. Drink pepper soup. Come drink
egg, cucumber.
Cucumber. Come even cheat like shawarma on top. If you can't, especially all those fat girls, come drink beer. Join them. Your constant make you butu. Because of love. Love bakwako. So therefore, our phone numbers down the top of the TV now. Make gonna begin colors. Can you butu in front of your babe? Or you go fit there where your babe they butu. Your father go the cheese. Hey baby. That thing will happen. My brother, you go. Emmanuel, good evening.
Good evening, though.
Wanda, how is you?
I'm fine, and you?
I did fine. Are you with him?
I'm with you. I see say we know well, though.
My brother, no, this thing they bother me. I think say when I only me this thing they worry for body. They say you not show true love. My brother, you don't marry.
I don't marry, they do.
You don't ever date with a wife they do number 2 before?
I know it.
You know, your wife dead there.
I know she not there around.
But why you not fit?
Huh?
Why you not fit? Is she fat?
No, she's slim.
Why? Now the smell too much.
That thing to butu the personal something, not be general something.
Now it's a personal something. It's like salvation.
No.
So you not fit there.
I know fit there, they do. I know fit.
Okay, thank you, my brother. Sheyi from Jos, good evening.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey, Sheyi, call us back. Because I don't understand. People they talk say, if he truly loves me, he shouldn't. Okay, some go talk say, can you imagine? He's even dating her. She never even messed for in front before. It means she's hiding some things.
Are you hiding something?
Now, mess, I go take show whether they hide some things or not.
The high secrets.
Are they hide secret? So therefore, some females, mess own. I feel forgive mess. Maybe if it happen once.
Yes.
If it happen once, because it gets some mess, okay, you drop. You know, you know.
You know, yeah.
Like especially when they. Naya, good evening.
Good evening. I like your outfit. You look so good today.
Oh my God, Naya, check me out.
Oh, fine voices.
Hey, Naya, tell me.
My brother, easy.
Baba, good evening.
My regards to Katima Beg, if you see her.
Okay, no one,
brother,
I'll go get her.
The loo, let me put it in English. The loo is a secret place.
A personal time.
My brother, that place is for yourself and your Almighty. That is when you have to have your, in fact, that is your meditation time. You meditate and do your thing. You're not supposed to share it with anybody. That is not right.
So
even another person's butu is not right. You get, maybe the person that is doing it, it's not a disease to the person, but you who is inhaling it is a disease to you. It's not right.
So Naya, okay, which means your person will love you now, nothing they where you butu. You not go agree?
My husband cannot do it. Me, I cannot do it. He knows, me, I know.
Your husband, why? Your husband own the smell well?
My brother. You know what we are chopping? You will chop this and chop that. You don't know what you top in the whole day. The thing will smell too much, so it's not good.
But you know, but if anyway, Naya, no problem. Make I now ask you a quick question again.
Nedu.
Eh?
You are being stingy about our kids so that you go and give it to them in London.
No, tomorrow. I will give you tomorrow. I will give you next tomorrow. I promise.
Then Jimaka, don't only.
Da Allah, can you call da Allah go be zan ba ku gobe. Then ranar Thursday, can you call na gode? So say go be say this happy. Vivian, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you, my sister in the Lord? You don't marry?
I don't marry.
Your husband dead, yeah?
No, he no dey.
You don't ever there where your husband they butu before?
Butu, Nedua go fit do that kind of thing. You know good.
Why? You know, at least it shows say you love him.
No, love no in that area. Beg everybody may carry cross.
So, but wait, your husband not there where you they do him before?
In the day at times so, but me I don't fit.
Oh, in the day, you know they feel for him because you know as you they talk, people say your own butu they smell where. No, it there your voice.
How you take no?
No, I don't feel like because you add weight well.
I don't get it. Actually, more.
Some people now be like saying I'm big.
They do you You don't make me laugh for that. As you say, describe how they do for village, for forest.
And no, bush on the sweet well. Try am. Naya, Vivian. When you travel go village, no use toilet. Especially early in the morning. Oh! When dew see the fall small, when that is simple after all the leaf go wet. That's it. You guys go do one leaf go touch you water. You know. Vivian, good night and mama. Hey. Anyway, I'm not gonna call us. Make we talk this matter. You go feel butu in front of your girlfriend, or you go feel butu in front of your boyfriend, husband or wife. Something. Good evening.
Tracy.
Yeah, good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine. We don't miss you for Instagram. Nkechi speaks.
Tomorrow.
Okay. So
tomorrow and next tomorrow.
Okay, no wahala. The thing they say, my ex-boyfriend.
Nine they do am, or you nine they do am for.
Where?
He like to they do am.
Oh my God! Once it start like this, the whole house could change aroma. No be small something.
You know they change color. Because the color if you can touch the color.
I did tell you, but that thing is not hygienic. To perceive someone else's butu is not hygienic at all.
Person don't they wear you the butu before?
Yes, sir. I say my ex now.
Oh, in the day where you the butu?
Yes, so.
And in they complain.
Wait, smelling.
Wait, ma ask you. After that butu, in the day okay, I been the act like person way high. No, I need to know because maybe now they get them to get highness.
No, that after he don't high, that they do that one though.
Oh, after he don't high, he go come stay with you. Wait, you say if you don't do for him.
No,
I don't do such. What would I do? I'm a lady, for heaven's sake.
Oh, you know they go where in the butu?
They go where the butu, but you know if you go where the butu.
Because your own butu, my sister. Kill and die. Bra, left, right, and center. Now, focusing. Hey! Person who see you for all now, no go not say so you dey do your own though.
I dey tell you, my brother.
Makeup go cover everything. Human hair go cover everything.
Don't be small something.
Hey, my sister, go in peace.
The thunder will go fire down my ex. Oh, they do press up the come.
Ayana, good night.
What can I get through for me?
Yeah, no, I'll you go. Yeah, on that Twitter, Brainbox say, well, I not fit hide anything from my sweet wife, Dimma. She's my yo-yo jollof. I dey kaka and mess in front of her. Now love. Okay. And then I not fit hide anything from my woman. Okay. I dey okay. And then Simeon say good everything. Now good evening. Maybe na mistake. I am with you, but this one I not fit with you. Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Here. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How should we do?
How is you? Gift.
I'm fine.
You don't marry?
No.
Gift. But you get girlfriends.
Edu.
Eh?
No.
No, waiting.
I never marry.
Your TV they too loud.
That's why you
Gift.
hear
That's not
yourself.
why you
I
they
didn't
hear
hear
me.
you.
Your TV they too loud. Reduce your TV volume. They hear me only from your phone.
Okay, I didn't hear you.
Now, you don't ever butu for front of your girlfriend before?
Say what happened, now fight? Say what happened, why?
Not be quarrel now. Now question I they ask you. Now say you not trust the smell of your butu.
I no need butu for my girlfriend, bro. They do need to see you are the cardinal they say Ohala day.
What be the wala?
The main thing we supposed to talk of now, maybe you better say butu. As a guy where they climb on top 3 go, but that guy need deliverance.
My brother! You see, Shebi is the way I talk the
I
thing.
tell you.
It's not normal. It's not normal.
That's the point you saw your water with the water can deliver that guy.
You see, man, to me, gift, to me, him and the girlfriend, no normal. Because he will go climb 3.
For inside bush.
For inside bush. Go butu. What if he fall from 3 now? And the girlfriend will go, they want to, oh, it's my boyfriend.
They wait under the tree.
They wait on the tree. Oh my God, your butu is so sexy. Oh my God, see the way he's dropping.
Wow.
Oh.
Hey.
It's not normal.
Even if not bed.
Even
bed never do that way.
Even bed where they butu, then they choose where they butu on top glass of motor.
We're going to talk about person butu for house and shit. That may be the issue. That person will climb 3. You can't bush, you know do you. You climb 3. What do you do?
I know, even if na monkey self.
No, thank God say you know.
Anyway, give thank you. Good night. Oh, go butu in peace. Oscar, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother? How you cartoon today?
Are you with me?
I am with you, Oscar. Are you with me?
Are you with me?
Are you with me?
Maybe okay. Okay.
Your TV they too loud. Reduce them. Now make you know they hear me straight.
Okay.
Reduce your TV volume, Oscar.
I don't reduce them.
You don't marry?
I don't marry now. We even date together. I got self.
Ma ask your wife question first.
Oh yeah, come.
Hello.
Honey.
Hello, ma.
Honey, baby.
Are you with me?
I am with you, my sister. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Are you with me? Are you with me again?
I am with you.
Your husband not butu for your front before?
Yes, now.
You enjoy him?
I enjoy and where?
Where you from?
I enjoy, you know the smell self.
Oh, you not the smell. In fact, I be thin.
It's fat.
It's not normal.
Yes.
It's not
Because
normal.
fat people butu suppose they smell.
It's not normal.
No, it's not fat. It's normal.
Oh, it not fat, it not thin.
Just normal.
It not normal. So what you dey try talk? Say those waiting not normal, Labi?
Yes.
Oh, you see talk yes. Now, make I ask you, in the day where you dey butu?
Yes, now.
You call you the day where in the butu?
Yes, I'm waiting there.
So,
No time.
una see madam, you fat?
No, I'm not fat. I don't normal.
Why now?
I don't normal.
But why you not fat?
No, I don't
Because the
normal.
smell of your husband butu supposed to make you fat.
No, fat is no good now. I don't
It
normal.
not dey help your skin color.
Yes.
Hey, give your husband. No need to ask your husband, Oscar. No need to ask you question again.
Let me give him. Please, I'm busy.
We know in the Kenneth. Good evening, I beg.
Good evening, do Afana.
You never marry. You did your voice.
Never married. The first time call a job.
Hey, well done. You want make I give you?
Huh?
Make I give you welcome.
Give me welcome now. Last one they do welcome with that.
Kenneth, you dey butu for front of your girlfriend?
Huh?
You dey butu for front of your girlfriend?
Why would you do that kind of thing? Are they crazy?
But she don't butu for your front before.
Is it?
She don't do for.
No.
Why you not like him?
I like her well, but she no fit butu for my front.
Oh, if you see her butu, you not go like her again.
No. You know na personal something na.
Na
You need
personal
to do on
thing.
your own. Wait, you need to do on your own. Enjoy her. You know the thing they sweet. I dey alive.
You dey sweet. No, I don't know. Now you go talk now.
Now you go do your own, enjoy and feed the you feed the this thing now.
Kenneth.
I dey hear you.
Make I ask you. Choose now. Between bush butu and toilet butu, which one you like pass?
Na bush one, that makes sense pass.
Why you like bush one?
Even that tree on God self. If you don't climb for tree like this, breeze will dey blow you for now. You know understand?
Oh, you too they climb tree.
I do that time. I don't tell. No be today thing. No.
You dey enjoy to climb tree.
Village stuff like suppose now they go now.
You well?
I well now. I well. You say you no do you dey do like say you no do no lie you do.
My brother, good night.
You dey pursue me?
Yes, I dey pursue you. Go. Mama Osas, good evening.
Good evening, Edu.
Mama Osas, me go.
Body.
Body dey cloth. How far with this butu matter now?
Now they here for your man, so we not be Oyibo now.
So?
Now Oyibo they like all those kind of things.
So you now, your husband never butu for your front before?
No, I don't feel see that in a gold now.
Oh, now gold. Your husband own na gold.
Now gold, I don't feel see her because we go. You know they do all those kind of things. You know they like her.
Your husband na cat?
They go to letter. They open my door down.
Oh, why you do? You open door down.
Yeah, they open it down so that it go spray everywhere. You know, my own is scenting.
Oh, now strawberry flavor for your own get.
Mama, they close down so that the flavor it go
spread.
Go day high with
it go spread.
Mama says, now back to you they do give your children no.
It's another day day school. I'm here, my husband there.
You can't open door, make the smell they go. Your husband there.
Hey, go sometimes he go just walk out, come and go say I don't well. He go walk out, come on, see I don't have been locked door.
Hey, Mama says, okay, make I ask you now. Between bush, butu, and toilet, butu, which one you like pass?
I go bush before, I not go far, not be village woman. You not village man. You know, I not know for bush. Oh, I never go bush before.
You try bush on, try them. A trial will convince you.
No, I not go.
Mama says, try them.
Bush you say.
Try them.
They whisper.
Before I come bed down, so they come bite me for Yashuko.
I am about basketball chicken break. When you come back, we'll continue taking the phone calls when they come back. Wait till they discuss our phone lines. They open now. They on top of the TV, make on begin call us, and also on top Twister. Would they say whether you wait on marry or you will never marry? You feel butu. You feel kaka, you feel do number 2, if you go toilet in front of your husband or your wife, or if you go toilet in front of your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Because I don't understand, people they say a sign of true love. I don't know which kind of sign of true love be that one. Say you know they hide anything from a person where you date. If you go feed to them, let us know. This one now, don't remember, you get one time, one gist where you give me. Somebody, to make the importance of between inside bush. Say, na camp. Na NYC camp.
Yeah.
So you just enter inside bush, go butu. So Mopo come they catch it. What are you doing here? And the guy say na butu in come butu. And I say no, I don't think it's butu. He came to. I say Oga na butu. I go Oga come. Okay, Oga see. Na me butu this one so na. See and here. This one always smoke till they come out. Na me.
Na my own.
Anyway, our phone lines are open. We're gonna begin the callers. Easy bit maker. John, good evening. Before I ask Easy bit.
Good evening.
How is you?
Very fine.
John.
How are you?
John, I define. You don't marry?
I don't want to marry you.
John, tell me, you feel do that thing?
I decrease. I would do I can see.
Oh, wait. You never do, your babe never come follow you talk when you debut too?
I don't want to try them. Come on, na bombo. No go deal.
John, may I
Baby?
ask you, between Tobutu for bush and Tobutu for toilet, which one you like pass?
I don't like bush, no. It's me come back to for Yashuko.
Oh, you never try them before?
I never will try. I don't enter bush for my life.
My brother, your voice be like person live for inside bush safe.
I never will enter bush to swear about me.
See the boy, you never enter bush.
No, you know if you put you know where they sweet. When you hold newspaper, they read. If you put you I die you.
No, where you they browse? Carry your phone, they browse. You don't they watch YouTube before? Try YouTube.
You say?
Try YouTube. They watch YouTube.
Facebook.
Or they do Facebook.
What do you have over there?
If they do Instagram or YouTube, where you the butu, my brother, it is sweet pass.
You sure?
Try them.
But my own, that newspaper don't do newspaper.
Newspaper. Now bad story there newspaper. Try them. Try them. Where you dey try am, my brother? Now be the ultimate.
You
But
don't know before. You don't know before they do. You don't do am.
no, me, I prefer bush.
Bush. Now village. You don't go village without they do.
My brother, she be na my bush.
If you see me go buy it for now,
Bye bye. Good night, John. Bye bye. Chinwe, good evening.
Hello, Nedu.
Chinwe, your voice be like person they butu for bush.
Nedu, good evening, no.
How you there? Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Are you with me, Chinwe?
I'm with you, Nedu.
Chinwe, you don't marry?
I don't marry you, Nedu. I see the verse with you.
What you do
and the
now?
verse with your judges, so.
What you do?
On Saturday now.
What you do for Saturday?
That's the way you do it. You know, like I the verse.
That's why I do where?
No, maybe for carry that thing, no, we couldn't leave that boy. Now that boy supposed to be for a second.
Okay, that for Gong Chai.
Yes, so.
Now the guy, now the person where do now him do now not be me give a score. Now judges give a score.
They do not pay me for carry and him.
Not pay me for win, Abi.
But the boy perform well. Perform well. Perform well for stage.
Yeah, it don't pass. Now not be me. Now not be me. Not my hand today. Anyway, more talk about what to talk this night. Quick.
Okay, that no go work.
You not go walk.
You never work at that.
Wait, your husband never come meet you where you they do am before?
I never have to meet me. You want to make you carry disease for him.
Oh, now me say you now walking disease now.
Like him now.
Your own a disease.
They do. Now what's product now? What's product?
Yay.
Now what's product? How person will come done? Come they proceed the order of West product.
May I ask you this question before I leave you? May they go. To put you for inside bush and toilet, which one you prefer pass?
Yeah, they do have to enter bush. If snake bites my machine gun, what can I go do? What can I do?
You not get machine gun now.
My other machine gun.
You got machine. No, I talk of you. Okay,
me. Okay. If snake bite my shukuti,
but good night. Good night, Chinwe. Good night. They go. Anyway, on top Twitter, I'm gonna go back to Twitter. But before I read Twitter, easy be tell me. From me cut to I want to read Twitter. Hello, she boy.
Yeah, they hear you.
You be area boy.
But we are.
Why your voice be like this now? She boy, don't marry. She boy.
Yeah.
You don't marry.
Yeah.
I better reduce your TV volume.
Hello. But we are.
Reduce your TV volume.
I don't let this on.
Not be reduce, not be reduce.
Don't do that.
Reduce them now. Now, you don't marry.
Yes.
Your wife dead there.
Yeah, today, yeah.
Ma, I talk to you. You don't butu for front of your wife before?
No, I never do that one.
She don't butu for your front before?
No.
Give her a phone.
Okay.
Hello?
Madam.
Good evening.
Your husband don't butu for your front before?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't deny say never butu for your front before. Madam, how in butu day?
Is that fine?
Oh, on there fine?
Yes.
But thank God say una call cut. Thank God, because wetin I for talk una for not like am. Easy bit, quick. Hello, good evening. Before easy bit,
What's be that?
You talk true. Hey, Mommy Clinton!
Yes.
Where you come out from?
Where you come out from? I am with you. Are you with me?
I'm with you. Good evening.
Mommy Clinton, tell me, talk true.
Good
Yes,
evening.
ma'am. Good evening, Mommy Clinton.
Is that right?
Talk true. Talk your own.
Okay, my brother. I don't feel safe for where my husband is so.
Why?
I don't feel so.
Your husband fat?
He's not fat like that. He's normal.
Why not they say they normal? Those wey fat, not they normal?
No, his body do okay.
So their own not they okay?
My own okay. We carry the same body.
So wait, in don't see you where you dey butu before?
Yeah, I don't see so. If you even there, I don't feel butu again, sir.
The thing go inside.
Yeah, you go inside. I don't feel butu.
So people dey
You
like
don't
that.
touch before?
That bush you own, they do. My husband they do a well for village. Even this one when he dey village, he called me this morning. Say he dey inside bush. They call me. He said that bush you own the street there. If you come to and finish, you go come cut leaves.
Hey!
Cassava leaves. They can clean your
I am.
the thing, eh? Oh.
Wait, you dey do am? You dey do am? The way you dey say, oh, you dey do am?
Yeah, I don't do am, my brother.
But why you can't talk to the thing, oh, you don't do am before?
No, as my husband they describe am.
You
I think they describe am. He said the thing the sweet well. If you do finish, you use cassava leaf, take clean gum. He said the sweet, your body will come cool. He said if you want go that bush you own like this, you go come relax. If they carry phone now.
Oh, if they carry phone, go there.
People for inside bush and network they take bush well. He said they enjoy your well. Now, I beg you, don't keep person this evening. I beg.
Bye.
Oh,
Good night. Anyway, on top Twitter, Tommy C talk say, no, for me it is stupidity. I can't do it. But if I fit give am, To Saino talk say, I don't kaka for bush. Voila, the thing makes sense. Early money. Oh my brother, you will make heaven. That time me and Efe. Me and Efe, we go arrange for school that time. If you go wake up, we get one couple with them. Only us this one the compound na 3 rooms. Only me and you rent the 3 rooms so that nobody go follow us there inside the compound. Then in done 9 day the extreme, one day middle. Then the other one now they keep things. Then I go just come outside. I go blow. Maybe I don't know how to they give. If you go, I know in the ways no when I come outside. I go come outside. If you go come outside, that's so we just carry waka arrange some kind of thing. You enter inside bush. When they enter bush, you carry phone and through network they do for inside bush pass. That time when network not the strong way for Jesus. We come there for inside bush. You can place where they go for Okeja. How you go inside the bush there, relax. When you don't relax, you go be butu like for like 30 minutes. The normal butu na like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you don't come out there.
You don't come out there. But this one, because of the fresh air, the breeze. You know this. The air where they blow, they carry the smell. They go. You understand? You go see here bird they sing. You go they see a bird they fly. Fiam. If you see something your waka pass, you know. You go they see ants. Your cut stick they play. I go they kill ant. Crack. You go they draw with ayo. When you come to finish, you can't carry waka go one of our friend's house. Oh God. Can't go there. Can't go relapse. When don't relapse, can't carry pineapple. Don't thief. From inside, for people bush for Akija there. Come relax. Chop pineapple well. Oh, God. Anyway, that's how it take me. For me, I prefer to butu for inside bush. Bush is better. When I see I tell you explain now, bush is better for me. Toilet, and now because we don't do Lagos now, I did be where they stay. Bush there.
You don't do things for bush. You're like, Daddy, where are you going? I'll be back.
I'll be back. I need to make a phone call. I need to make a business call.
Going to the bush.
Anyway, double toilet. Everybody will call us today. Some of them go down there have the chop night food. Man, I'm not vex. Say we'll talk about the butu. Now, how the thing take come our mind? Now we just say, I'm going to drop her like that. Now today they go for the show now. Anything that come, we throw away. More than over those of them where they eat. More than eat now, No more butu matter. We're not going to talk butu again. Come out for your mind. Until tomorrow, Pastor is supposed to hear tomorrow. Until tomorrow, make sure so I get better evening. Easy bit.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.